Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. For Christmas, I happened to get the Axial SCX24, and I've already driven it after making this video, so I'll tell you a little bit about how it felt driving it as well. And here's, I guess, a bit of an overview slash unboxing-ish video for the Axial SCX24. Okay, so here's the remote. It appears to be a pretty nice remote. It's fairly light, but it has a lot of features on it, and I know that there's lots you can do to customize the car. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like how it looks. Nice and small, and yeah, it looks pretty good too. Okay, and here is the underbody of the car. The tread looks pretty nice on the tires, and let's see, everything seems to work fairly well. I will say with the spare tire on the back, though, when you try and drive up something, that impedes you a little bit. So I think that if you were to take that spare tire off, you could be able to climb up steeper things, which could be nice. And other than that, everything on the bottom looks pretty good and standard. I think there are portal axles on it, which are pretty good. Happy about that. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it a lot, and can't wait to post the video of me driving it. Okay, I think the top of this car looks great. I love the I love the detail on it. The stretcher on the top, the gas tanks, and the tool chest. I also think that the paint job looks spectacular. I love that color of red, especially in the snow, which you'll see in the video that's coming. So yeah, I think this car looks great. I love the scale detail that it comes with. You don't have to buy anything extra. Yep, I think that's pretty cool. Okay, here's the front. I like the driver that is in the windshield, you can sort of see. The light kit is amazing. It works really well. Super bright. I like the bumper too, and the hooks on the front. And yeah, just continually adding to the scale detail of the car. And yeah, I like that quite a bit. Pretty impressed with how much scale detail it comes with. Okay, and the side of the car, again, the paint job looks amazing, and the shocks are pretty good. They're a bit bouncy, but it's not really that bad. Not too much to complain about. The door handles look good on the doors, and so do the mirrors. So yeah, pretty pleased with the car. Alright everyone, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you really enjoyed it, hit the share button and the notification bell. I hope to see you in the next one.